If you're still wasting half your day scrubbing through footage and wrestling with complex editing software, stop right now because I need to show you something that completely rewired how I create content. We are talking about saying goodbye to dragging clips for hours, forgetting export settings, and drowning in 3 different apps just to publish one single short. With this new workflow, you just upload your footage, tell the system exactly what you want, and Vizard handles absolutely everything else for you. Let me give you a real example of what I mean by showing you how I dropped a 20-minute talking head recording into the platform, which is the kind of raw file that used to take me a full afternoon. Normally, I would have to hunt for the good bits, cut out the silence, fix audio levels, add captions, hunt for B-roll, and then export 5 different versions just to get started. But with Vizard, it's completely different because it scanned the whole file, built the assets automatically, and gave me ready-to-post clips in a matter of seconds. It instantly generated highlights, vertical-friendly cuts for social media, punchy hooks already captioned, and even thumbnail-ready stills without me doing any manual chopping. I opened the editor, typed one simple line into the assistant chat asking for a 30-second vertical clip for TikTok, and hit send. In under 20 seconds, it surfaced the best moment, trimmed it, added captions, and perfectly reframed it for vertical, which is literal time saved for me. And it wasn't just a random choice because the AI actually understood what mattered, picking the most shareable moments rather than just doing a mechanical trim. Need cleaner audio? You just give one command to make it sound professional and it automatically runs noise reduction and balances the levels for you. The voice stays natural and sounds like a studio recording, effectively replacing the hours I used to spend manually tweaking plugins in third-party audio apps. These edits genuinely move the needle. It removes pauses longer than 2 seconds so the pacing is snappy, and strips filler words so every sentence hits harder. It even boosts eye contact so it feels like I'm talking directly to you, adds relevant B-roll to cover awkward cuts, and drops in background music pulled from a massive library. My favorite feature is when I tell it to make the video more interesting, and it tightens the pacing, trims boring tangents, and keeps the energy high across the whole clip. Most AI editors just chop clips into pieces, but Vizard actually drafts full, coherent edits like intros and chapter-like sections, giving you a perfect first draft. I once asked it to turn a raw, rambling conversation into a clean 10-minute YouTube video with an intro and chapter markers, and it was 80% done within minutes. The transcript is live and synced, so doing a quick quality pass is totally painless since I don't fight a timeline. I just read text and delete what I don't like. Want to move a section? Just cut and paste the paragraph in the transcript and the video rearranges itself automatically with an undo button if you change your mind. Auto-transcription supports over 100 languages, making it a huge time saver if you create multilingual content for a global audience. For B-roll and music, the platform ships with a library of royalty-free footage and tracks, so you just type a mood and usable clips pop up instantly. If you need a custom image or clip, it also integrates AI-generated visuals so you can produce a quick scene and drop it right into your timeline. Keyboard shortcuts are baked in so you keep your hands on the keys, meaning your editing speed jumps significantly when the interface isn't fighting against you. Brand consistency is another area where this tool shines, because you set up your logo, color palette, and text styles once, and apply them to everything. Subtitles are fully customizable, so you can choose from a gallery of styles, upload your own fonts, and position them safely so every draft looks polished. If you do interviews or podcasts, you can invite remote guests with a share link, and each participant is recorded locally in high resolution with separate audio tracks. This allows you to fix a quiet guest's level or clean one specific mic without wrecking the rest of the mix, which is a lifesaver for quality. Collaboration is simple, as you just copy a link and teammates can preview the cut in a browser, keeping all feedback centralized in one place. Vizard isn't trying to be everything to everyone, it's just trying to clear your plate by combining recording, editing, and exporting into one single tab. It provides up to 4K video and lossless web audio, giving you studio-grade recordings without the usual juggle of multiple apps and mouse fatigue. The real advantage is how it stitches the whole workflow together, from auto-editing viral clips to a content calendar that actually schedules posts for you. That specific combination is what turns a raw recording into steady cross-platform distribution without you having to deal with creator burnout. It also helps with repurposing, as the system will draft a full article from your transcript, generate social captions, and suggest thumbnails based on the footage. Record once, turn it into 5 different assets, and push them out on a schedule, which lets the system generate distribution-ready pieces for you. What this actually means for a creator is simple. I used to spend hours on a single video, but now I can crank out 3 to 5 in the same amount of time. That's not just about speed, it's about focus, giving you more time on your story and strategy instead of getting lost in menu diving and reconciling frame rates. Vizard doesn't replace creative thinking, it automates the grunt work like tightening pauses and cleaning audio so you can still make the creative calls. If you create on a schedule, give Vizard a try, because when you see how it jumps you from raw file to multi-platform content, you'll get why I swapped half my toolkit for one tab. Anyway, if you've used Vizard or tried other editors, drop a comment below and tell me what worked and what drove you crazy. I'll keep sharing what actually speeds up my workflow so we can all publish more and stress less. So see you in the next video.